Hello students, in this part of the video of your chapter Albert Einstein at his school, I would like to continue your rest part of the chapter. But before it, a bit of summary that what we did in the video part 3. In video part 3, you got that Albert Einstein is at all not interested to continue his education in Munich school, where he's taking his diploma degree. So taking his diploma. So he asked his friend Yuri to find a doctor. His friend Yuri found a doctor also for him, and the doctor Einstein wanted that doctor should give him a certificate that he's having a problem of nervous breakdown, and then he should be able to, because on that basis of certificate he will be able to leave that place, because without certificate his father will not allow him to leave that place. So it is happening here. Now let's continue. The doctor is ready to give him certificate. Doctor is asking him that suppose that I am providing your certificate, in which I am asking that you cannot continue your education here. What will you do? Where will you go? He said that I will go to Milan, Italy, where my parents live. He said that but how will you get admission in Italian college or institute? Why? Because it was told by Einstein, without any diploma. Let's see that what Einstein answers. I will ask my mathematics teacher to give me something about my work. He told that I will ask my mathematics teacher. Einstein told that I will ask my mathematics teacher in this Munich school to give me something about my work, and perhaps that will be enough, and perhaps that will be sufficient, because he wanted to continue his study with maths. I have learned all the maths they teach at his school. He told that I have learned all the mathematics they teach at his school, whatever it is taught in the school, and a bit more. I have learned a bit more also. He added when Dr. Well looked doubtfully. He told, Einstein told clearly when Dr. Well looked doubtfully that only mathematics will help him to take admission in Italian college or institute. Then he told that I have done everything in mathematics, and I think the mathematics teacher will give me a certificate definitely. Well, it's up to you, he said. Now Dr. Ernest Well said to Einstein that okay, it depends on you, that what will you do. I doubt if it will come off. I doubt that it will help you, but the certificate will be provided you. But I can see you are not doing yourself or anyone else much good by staying here. But doctor further told to Einstein that I cannot see you are doing with yourself or anyone else like your father and like your relatives and others who they are expecting from you any good by staying. And means your staying here is totally useless. How long would you like me to say you should stay away from school? Now doctor is asking to Einstein that how long you want to stay away from school. According to that, I want to make certificate. Would 6 months be all right? Doctor said that if I write in this certificate, medical certificate, that you should stay away from school 6 months, that is all right? This is very kind of you. Einstein said, yes, it is very kind of you. It will be sufficient for me. It is nothing. I have only just stopped being a student myself. It's nothing. He says, no, there is not a kind. Doctor says that it is not kind of me. I have only just stopped being a student myself. Doctor was also a student, so he says that I have just only stopped being a student myself. Means I was also a student, and I just stopped as acting as a student. Now I become a doctor. So I know how you feel. So I know that how a student can feel. That's why. So there is no need of thanks. Here you are. Means now after preparing the certificate, doctor gave him certificate and says, here you are. Means your certificate is ready. Dr. Well handed him the certificate, medical certificate, and the best of luck. And he says in best of luck also. How much? Now he says that what is your fee? Means how much fee I should pay you? Because if you visit a doctor, you should pay the fee to the doctor. And so Einstein is also asking to the doctor that how much? Nothing. Doctor says no fee. If you have anything to spare, if you have some money with you, invite Yuri to a meal. Give Yuri a dinner party. He is a good friend of mine. He is a very good friend of mine, and yours too. And I think that he is your very good friend also, I think. Albert had no money to spare. Actually, Albert had no money, but he pretended he had he told doctor that he had money and took Yuri out to supper, and he will definitely take Yuri out to for dinner. Is not it wonderful? He said after showing Yuri the certificate. After getting certificate, Einstein was very happy. And next time while he met Yuri, he told him, he showed him that certificate and said, it's not very wonderful. Yes, it's fine. Yuri agreed. Yes, that's good. 6 months is a good period. 6 months is a very good time. This way you won't actually be leaving the school, and this way by on the basis of this medical certificate you are not actually going to leave the school. So if the worst comes to you, to the worst, you will be able to come back and carry on for your diploma. Now Yuri said that this certificate is so useful for you that suppose that you are going to Milan, Italy, and something wrong happens, you, and if you are not getting interest and success in Italy also in education, and you are willing that you should again come back to Munich and continue your diploma, this certificate will help you, and you can continue your diploma also after 6 months. So this 6 months duration is a very this medical certificate is so useful for you. I will never go back to that place, Albert assured him. Albert assured Munich actually. Albert assured Yuri that I will never go back to that placement, to that school. I am going to take this certificate to the head teacher tomorrow. I am going to give this certificate to the head teacher, headmaster tomorrow, principal tomorrow, and that will be the end of it, and that will be the end of everything in the school. Don't forget to get a reference in writing from your mathematics teacher first, Yuri reminded. Yuri reminded him, okay, give this certificate to principal, leave school, no problem, but don't forget to get a written reference from your mathematics teacher, because that will help you. Mr. Coach is the name of mathematics teacher, students. Willing gave Albert the reference he wanted. Mr. Coach willingly, and while Einstein asked Mr. Coach his reference in written in mathematics, he gave him willingly, means without any refuse, without any deny. He gave him the reference, the certificate which Einstein wanted. If I say I cannot teach you anymore, and probably you will soon be able to teach me, will that be all right? He asked. While Albert asked to mathematics teacher Mr. Coach for the certificate, actually Einstein was very good at the mathematics. He was very good in very intelligent in mathematics subject, and that's why his teacher asked, if I say Mr. Coach is saying, if I say I can't teach you anymore, means if I write in the certificate that I cannot teach you anymore, and probably you will soon be able to teach me, means why I'm not able to teach you anymore, because you are so intelligent, and I think it is possible that very soon you will be able to teach me. Means Mr. Coach, the mathematics teacher, told that should I write on this certificate that you are so talented in mathematics that in very few days you will be able to teach me? Will that be all right? Is it sufficient? He asked. That's saying too much, sir, said Albert. No, sir, it is too much. Means write this certificate in a proper way. Don't write that I will be able to teach you. It's only the truth, but all right. I will put it more seriously. Mathematics teacher again, Mr. Coach again repeated, it's only the truth. Einstein, I'm not joking. It's truth that you are very talented in mathematics. But all right, I will put it more seriously. But anyway, I will make this certificate very seriously. It was still a glowing reference, but a very nice comments were written on the on the mathematics certificate which was given by Mr. Coach. Made the point that Albert was ready immediately to enter a college or institute, and in that certificate Mr. Coach, mathematics teacher, has pointed out, he had written especially, he has mentioned especially that Albert was ready immediately to enter a college or institute for the study of higher mathematics. Means for higher level mathematics, Albert was quite capable, and he could be given admission in any institute or in any kind of college which if he wants to take admission in mathematics. That was written on the paper. I'm sorry you are leaving us, although you are wasting your time in my class, he said. And Mr. Coach further told, I'm sorry, Einstein, that you are leaving us. So you are such a good student in mathematics, although you are wasting your time in my class, he said. Mathematics teacher Mr. Coach said that although you are wasting your time here in my class. Why are you wasting my time? Wasting your time because you are so talented that now you are capable of reading in big classes, higher classes, not in my classes. It's almost the only class where I am not wasting my time, said Albert. Albert said at this remark of Mr. Coach that although you are wasting your time in my class, he told that, sir, it's the only class where I was not wasting my time. But how did you know I am leaving, sir? But how did you know that, sir, I am leaving? Because I have not told you that I am leaving. I only asked a reference from you. And students, you must be you must also take care about this point that Albert did not ask Mr. Coach. He only asked Mr. Coach, the mathematics teacher, that please give me, sir, a reference in mathematics. But he did not tell him that I'm going to leave this school, and that's why I'm asking this reference. So he asking that, but sir, how do you know that I'm leaving school? You won't have asked me for this reference otherwise. now Mr. Coach says that if you are not leaving this school, you definitely would not have asked this reference. Suppose that you are asking a TC, transfer certificate, from any school. I think the school authority don't need to ask you that you are leaving school. Transfer certificate is a kind of thing. TC, if you're demanding a TC from anywhere, that is clearly indication that you are leaving school. So definitely this maths reference was a kind of indication that Einstein was going to leave the school. So mathematics teacher told that because you asked me this reference, and that's why I understood that you are going to leave us. I thought you would wonder. Einstein told to Mr. Coase that I thought that, sir, you will be surprised while I will ask reference. I never hoped that you will give me reference so easily. There is nothing to wonder about, Einstein. He told that, Einstein, there is nothing to surprise about. I knew you are going to leave before you knew yourself. Now, Mr. Coase, the mathematics teacher, told here a very important point, which students you also need to be listen very carefully. Mathematics teacher told, I knew you were going to leave. Means I already knew that you are going to leave this school before you knew yourself. You are not knowing that you are going to school, going to leave the school, but I knew that you are going to leave school. Why, Mr. Coach, the mathematics teacher told? Einstein is surprised. Now let's see that why teacher told that I already knew that you are going to leave the school. Albert was further. Albert was totally confused that how, what did the teacher mean? That what did the teacher mean that he knew already that I am going to leave school? He soon found out, but soon this puzzle, this trouble, and the statement of Mr. Coach meaning was clear to him. Before he had a chance to ask for an interview with the head teacher, because on that day he went to his school, asked certificate to mathematics teacher, and he was in his class, and he was thinking to visit to the head teacher. But before he went himself to meet the head teacher, to the principal, he was summoned to the head's room. The principal already called him. Suppose that if you are thinking to, in some respect or in some reference, to meet principal of your school, of your institute, but even before you are going to meet the principal himself or herself calls you in the office, you will be surprised. Well, it saves me the trouble of having to wait an hour or two outside, he thought. But Einstein thought it is very good for me that principal himself called me, because it saves me trouble, it saves my time, which I should have faced trouble to wait an hour or two outside, because principal is a very you know that a high official is a very important body in school, and he thought that if I would have gone myself to meet the principal, I would have definitely needed to wait an hour or two outside his office door. But because he himself called me, so I don't need to wait for a single minute here, he thought. He hardly bothered to wonder why he had been sent for. He didn't bother. He didn't even thought that why he was. He hardly bothered to wonder why he had been sent for. He didn't even thought that why he was asked by the principal, called by the principal, because calling by a principal is not an easy or normal event. But vaguely, but clearly supposed he was to be punished again for bad work and laziness. But because Einstein was very lazy, and he was never interested in education, so he thought that principal is calling him for punishing him. Well, he had finished with punishments, but and he thought that he will be finished with punishment, means principal will give him punishment, and that's all will be on his behalf, and that's why he would be calling. I am not going to punish you. But as soon as Einstein went into the principal office, the principal spoke the first statement, which was just opposite to his thought. Einstein had thought that the principal is calling him for punishing, but the principal is telling, the head teacher is telling, I am not going to punish you. The head teacher said. To Albert's surprise, Albert was highly surprised, because principal told him that he is not going to punish him. Your work is terrible, your performance is very poor, and I am not prepared to have you here any longer, Einstein. Einstein, I am not interested to ask you to stay in any longer in this school. Means I want you to leave the school now, and I want that you should leave my school right now. Means actually Einstein is being expelled from the school because of its bad performance. Leave school now? Repeated Albert Dest. Albert was surprised, and he surprisingly asked, Sir, leave school now? Why I should leave school? Students, take care about that. Einstein himself wanted to leave the school, and while principal asked him to leave the school, he is being surprised. Why? Suppose that You are working at a place, you are living at a place, you are studying at a place, and if you are living that place by yourself, it means that place is not suitable for you. But if that place is expelling you, if that place is forcing you to leave that place, if that school is forcing you to leave the school, it means that you are not eligible for the school. It means that you are not good for the school, and if you are leaving, school is not good for you. That's why he was surprised. That is what I said. The principal said, yes, don't repeat it. That what I said, that you leave school. You mean, said Albert. Albert said, sir, that I am going to be expelled. Sir, it means that you have expelled me from the school. You can take it that way if you wish. Einstein. He told the head teacher was not mincing his words. The head teacher was mincing, means he was speaking his words with stress and with anger, and he told that you can understand that I am expelling you from the school if you like, Einstein. The simplest thing will be for you to go to your own accord, and the simplest thing the principal suggested him, the head teacher suggested him, that the simplest thing will be for you, Einstein, that you should leave school on your own responsibility, and then the question won't arise, and then no one will ask question. Means if you leave school and people will ask that why you leave that school, ask them that you did not wanted to study that in that school, and that's why you left that school. But said Albert, what crime have I committed? Now Albert is asking to Einstein, to head teacher, that what, sir, what crime, means what mistake I committed, because of that you are trying to expel me from the school. Your presence in the classroom. Now head teacher is telling the reason because of that he was expelled from the school. Your presence in the classroom makes it impossible for the teacher to teach and for the other pupils to learn. He told that your presence in the classroom makes for the teachers very impossible to teach, and it disrupts other pupils, other students also. You refuse to learn. Actually, if you remember, it is an incident that derives from the history event. You are in a constant rebellion, and you rebel, means you protest in the class and the education system and the teachers, and no serious work can be done while you are there, and no serious work will be is possible to do in the classroom by the teacher or by the students while if you are present there. Albert felt the medical certificate almost burning a hole in his pocket, and the medical certificate, on that basis he wanted to leave the school. Actually that certificate was in his pocket right now, but that was just appearing just like a cinder of fire, that you can say akagola, and that was burning his pocket. I was going to leave anyway, he said, but he said to principal, but sir, anyway I am going to leave the school. Then we are in agreement at least, Einstein, he then head said. The head teacher said, okay, it means that we both are agree on the point that you are going to leave the school. For a moment Albert was tempted to tell the man. For a moment Albert became so angry that he wanted to tell the man what he thought of him, that what he thought about that man and of his school and about his school. Then he stopped himself, but he stopped himself without another word, without speaking anything, holding his head high, feeling proud, not being ashamed. He stalked out, he walked out. Shut the door after you, shouted the head. While Einstein was leaving the office, the head teacher shouted that close the door while you leave the room, office. Albert ignored him, but Albert did not shut the door. He was so angry. He walked straight away, out of the school, where he had spent for 5 miserable years. He went out of the school where he had spent last 5 years. Students, don't be confused. At one place it has written that he is staying in Munich for last 6 months, and here it had mentioned that he was studying for last 5 years actually. So he was studying for last 5 years, but he had came from his native place, Italy, that is Milan, and for 6 months. And for last 6 months he had not gone to his parents' home. That's why he said that I stayed continuously for 6 months in Munich, though he was studying here for 5 years. Without turning his head to give a last look, to his school, he could not think of anyone he wanted to say goodbye to. He could not find any person in Munich to say goodbye. Indeed, Yuri was almost the only one person in Munich he felt like seeing before he left the town he had come to hate almost as much as the school. Indeed, Yuri was almost only one person in entire Munich which he wanted to meet before leaving that town. He had come to hate almost as much as the school. because all other places he hated as much as he hated that institute. Elsa was back in Berlin. Elsa was returned to Berlin because if you remember in the story, it had been mentioned that his cousin sister Elsa came to meet him. She used to live in Berlin. She returned to Berlin, and he had no other real friends, and he had no other real friends except Yuri in this Munich. Goodbye and good luck, said Yuri when he left. And Yuri told him, wished him goodbye and good luck also. You are going to a wonderful country. You are going to a very wonderful country, Italy. I hope you will be happier there, and I think that you will live happier there rather than Munich here in Germany.